What's up? I'm Will. Welcome to today's stream. It is February 12th. It's Monday, and it's first stream of the week. I decided that instead of just being lazy and going to sleep, I'll do this stream. I've had a pretty long day so far. Am I in focus? Is it going to focus on me? All right, yeah, it looks like I'm Wait, is it focusing? No, it should be focused. All right. So, yeah, I had a pretty long day today. I have been up since 4:30 a.m. I decided that I'm gonna go to the gym. So I went to the gym at 4:30, and I'll be doing it again in the morning. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a long stream. I'll try to make it at least an hour and a half. Maybe we'll get to 2 hours. But yeah, last time I left off was working on my project. This is the bot that I've been working on for the past few months. The one that I only do here live, and made some pretty decent progress. I ended up verifying a hack that I had in mind, and it ended up working. And yeah, I think I'm going to continue down the path of where I was on a few days ago. Anyway, let me go ahead and just jump right into my screen share right quick. I got to make sure I turn off work stuff. I actually have work stuff on. Give me a second. Probably should have did this before, but I was literally laying in bed and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna not be lazy. So we'll close this first. We'll close that. Let's get rid of that, this, and that. All right, cool. Welcome to my screen. Yo, what's up, Marshall? How you doing? It's nice to have you here. How was your day? Do anything interesting? Oh, wait. Oh, wow. I don't have anything open anymore. All right. I forgot that I closed everything for real. So this is getting started from scratch. Oh, my gosh. This is so much work. All right. So here's what we're going to do. First thing is we'll go into my code directory. And we'll go into the project directory. All right. And last time I was working on this, I created a new directory called Actions Runner, which contains the thing that's going to be running all of my stuff. Today was cool, nothing special. All right, this was up. Well, for me, I try to have special days every day, which means I get something done. So long as I get something done, every single day, I'm doing pretty well. Oh, yo, what's up? How you doing? We are the waiting. Were you here last time? Like, oh yeah. You're asking all the questions about stuff. Yeah, I remember now. All right, so I have this run command that we're gonna run, obviously. So we'll go ahead and do this run, and we should get my runner started. Maybe, hopefully, we'll see. It seems to not be doing anything. Okay. All right. Maybe it's not that. Maybe I can go into my bin directory. Oh shit. Oh wait. Oh gosh. Is something hanging? Shit. Okay. I don't even know what this thing would be called. Maybe I'll just search for runner. Yeah, here we are. So we have Actions Runner. Wait, why do we have two of these things? Is it working now? Yeah. Why do we have two of these things? All right, so I guess we'll kill this one and we'll just send a signal to kill. I don't care if it closes improperly. All right, cool. So now if I go back to where I was. All right, wow, okay. I've just lost my shell. I don't know where it went. All right, so we're going to here. All right, cool. Yo, what's up? Good evening. How you doing? Yeah, believe it or not, I mean, I guess it's probably easy to believe. Most people don't say anything when I'm doing these things. You know, they'll pop in and out, and you know, I'll even ask questions and they'll just be silent. Honestly, it's kind of like in real life, where you just have people who don't contribute anything to a conversation. It's just like, why are you here? You're just taking up space. But I guess that's the nature of things. You know, some people are shy, I guess. I don't bite, I don't think. I do bite, but I probably won't bite you. That's nasty. I'm not trying to do all that. All right, let's see what's in this bin directory, because obviously I don't know what the hell I'm doing anymore. Yeah, all right. So why is my run command no longer running? I don't understand. Oh, okay, sure. All right, fine. All right, it's working now. All right, can I clear? All right, so none of my controls work for the terminal anymore, but that's okay. All of this stuff is gonna scroll away and go away. Let's open up, let's just make this a little bit bigger, and then we'll open up another directory. All right, so we'll open this up. All right. Guess we don't need to see any of that right now. All right, so this is that whatever the hell I was working on. This is all hard coded. So let's figure out what I can do. Before I do that, let me put my, he's just gonna keep wanting. Let me put him up. Okay. Yeah, maybe we should figure out what I should even be doing right now. Let's go to desktop. Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's sometimes is a little disappointing because I guess the further along you get in certain things, and you start to realize that, you know, most people don't really say anything. And I'm not talking about here on stream. I'm talking about just in life. Like you start to wonder. It's just like, how does like a fraction of the human race support the rest of it? It's baffling to me, and how people are just okay with not really contributing anything to our progress as a species. Maybe that's getting too real though, you know. Let's see here. So I think I was gonna consider that. So all right. So here's what I think I can do. There's a couple things. Number one is this right here is all hard coded. You know, maybe it shouldn't be hard coded. Maybe I should be able to specify these paths. Maybe I should have some type of configuration. So let's go to the actual app. Let's start it up right quick, and I can kind of show. So I have very little configuration, but I will show some of the things that are configured. And it's all in this profiles right here. So this right now is how I'm accessing everything. These are where all of my settings are for this particular user account. What I think I want to do is start to put some of these settings in my like a GitHub app or something like that. But I don't feel like actually building the GitHub app right now or doing the authentication stuff right now. What I think would be decent to have is going to my Devlog, which is the target repo for all of this thing right here. I have this directory called YT Slackbot. I'll come up with a better name for these things. Right now, it doesn't really matter that much. But maybe I can have some configuration here, right? I can point the bot to a directory on my machine. I've decided that I'm not even going to try to, I'm not even going to think about making this available outside of just my computer right now, because I don't want to pay for anything. I'm going to be lazy and cheap at the same time. And I don't know if that's a good combination, but we're going to have to make do with that for now. Okay. So at the moment, that action does not exist here. but the action does need to exist here, and it needs to be part of an installation step. So now I'm like, maybe I had to go ahead and just get it over with and start building the actual GitHub app thing. Oh my gosh. All right, I guess I'll do it. Sometimes I put off doing stuff because it's like I know it's going to be a bunch of work and I know it's going to be some other things involved because I've done this stuff before. I'm just like, I don't know if I want to do this right now, but I guess why not? At the end of the day, I'm going to have to do literally everything. So I guess it doesn't matter when I do it. So to do this app, what I'm going to end up doing is going into my organization here, and we'll create a new application, which is right here. And oh wait, no, it's under developer. I'm tripping. We'll do a GitHub app. Rendered it. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we'll do a new GitHub app. It's wanted me to authenticate with mobile. I don't understand why I keep telling it to use my authenticator app. It keeps trying to get me to use the mobile app, which I would prefer to just use my authenticator app. Here's why. Because I can just like do this on my watch. Okay, all right, never mind. I'm over here making up shit. It didn't even work. All right, well, it almost worked. So we're gonna give this a dumb name for now. It's gonna be called YT Slackbot, YTSB for now, because that's what everything else is called. One day I'll come up with a decent name that's not dumb. I actually have a homepage right now. It's bot.codeandcolor.io, and let's confirm that it is actually that. It's been that for a while. Yeah, cool. All right, cool. We got that. And I'll also give it the protocol because I don't know if it'll trip out. Then I need a callback for authorization, and I already have a pattern that I've established for this. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. I do realize that maybe a little bit hard to see. All right. So looking out over here, let's close this down, and you'll note that I have some things going on here. Let's close some of these things. So it should be under auth callback. Wait, no, never mind. We're going to make another auth thing, and it's going to be under the name of the thing. So for this, it's Slack. For this other one, it's going to be GitHub. So we'll just do a new file, and we'll say GitHub and /page.tsx. So now we have this new thing, and that route is where things are going to go. So it's going to be, oh shit, oh gosh. Gosh, something just went in my eye. I have long eyelashes, and sometimes they get caught up in my eyes. And they're real. They're not the ones that you stick on, like a certain segment of the population, where it's all fake. Yo, what's up, Hoosier? How you doing? What's going on? All right, so the callback URL is going to be bot.codeandcolor.io/auth/callback/GitHub. And I may end up changing this to be my local server, at least for now, because I don't want this actually going to the real server. And I can change this at any point. All right, so let's see. Request user authorization, OAuth during installation. Yes, this is what I think I want to do. Okay. Enable device flow, allow GitHub app to authorize user via device flow. I don't think I want device flow. All right, post installation, setup URL, unavailable when requesting. Oh, okay, fine, that's fine. Okay, and then I already have webhooks though. I guess, all right, so yeah, I've set up webhooks manually, but now I'm gonna have all this stuff automated. So I have to find out where I put in any of this stuff. I don't remember. Is it API? Yeah, all right, cool, webhook. Cool, so it's gonna be HTTPS or bot code and color, if I can spell right, maybe one day. All right, then we'll go into our API, and then we'll say webhook, and then it's going to be GitHub. And then for now, I'm just going to make up some random ass secret. It doesn't really matter. So let's see, what do you call this thing? Hash generator or something like that. we'll just say hello. All right, and then I will take this SHA-1, and that'll be my secret for now. And then, yeah, all right, we'll keep all that. Repository permissions. I am going to need access to actions because I'm going to programmatically build that, basically. So we'll do read and write. Administration, don't need checks. Yeah, I don't really need it right now. Hopefully I can go and add it later and not have to do all this again. I don't remember. It's been a while. Commit statuses, don't care. But I do need this right here. So we'll do read and write for the contents. And deployments, don't care. Environment. So here's the thing. I can store secrets in the repository. Do I want to do that right now? I don't know. For now, I'm just going to say no. I'm going to just say read and write issues. No, we're only going to read issues. We don't need to write. We don't need to write issues. Or do I need to write? Yes. No, I do. I do need to write read and write issues because that gives me access to PRs. Oh, no, it doesn't. They've split it out now. Oh, look at that. So then we'll do read only for issues, and we'll do read and write for pull requests. Let's see, packages, metadata, secrets, don't need. Man, it's just a single file. Yeah, we're good. Oh, and webhooks. Yes, obviously I need that. Update GitHub action workflow files. I'm just going to say yes because, for reasons. Organization permissions, none. We're not doing any of that. Now, I do need the installation target. Wait. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I want to handle that. We'll just do. I guess I'll take these pull requests thingamajigs. I do want merges. I think. Oh, my bad. I see that we have generator work tonight. What do you mean generator work? What do you mean? I don't understand. I'm unwinding for the night. Figured out, watch the process. Maybe learn something rather than playing the game. Hey, man. Hey, honestly, I mean, I think that's a good idea. Like, it's always better to learn something than to go play games. Commit or diff commit or diff comment on. I don't care. Branch or tag delete. Yeah. Oh wait, is this for me to be able to? No, I'm not going to delete branches. Oh yes, I am going to delete branches because I'm creating my own branches. I don't want to rely on. Actually, you know what? No, I am going to rely on that. I'm going to rely on myself to configure my repo to automatically delete branches. I don't want to control any of that. Issues, open, deleted, transferred. Okay. I'm glad that they pulled out the pull request stuff. That's really cool. So we'll do, that's it. Workflow dispatch. Yeah, I'm just gonna take them for now. I can always turn them off. Where on can GitHub app be installed? So it's gonna be only on this account for now. I'll make it be a shit. Do I already have this? Name is reserved for account. Oh my gosh, this sucks. I can't name my app after someone else. Like this is all right. Okay. I need a name. I need an actual name now. God damn it. YTSM. All right, we're gonna say YTSB bot. How about that? All right, yeah. We're not gonna focus on naming right now. Homepage URL must be a valid URL. How to? Oh, I put hippos. Okay. Like, how the hell is that not a valid URL? It works for me. But I understand why. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and create this app. All right, look at that. I have an app. So now I need to do some things. What are those things? I don't know. Let's install the app first. So we're going to install this app, not in code and color. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. All right, I've already done it wrong. So when I went over and said like only allow me to allow this account to install it, I wonder if it's treating my org as a different account. We're about to go through the first issue, I suppose. This is why I don't like doing stuff, because it's just like, oh my gosh, stuff that I shouldn't even have to worry about. Here I am worried about it. What is it? Devlog maybe? Wait, what? Okay, let's see if I can install that app here. No. All right, let's see. Go to settings and then let's look at applications and authorize GitHub apps. I don't see my app. Okay, let's try to Oh man. I thought that I would be able to like create the app under my own org and then just have it just magically appear. But obviously, you know, why would that work? That would be too easy, you know? We can't have things that are too easy. Otherwise, you know, I can't justify my worth. Oh man, this sucks. Actually, maybe let's see if I can search for it in the marketplace. Let's see, GitHub app marketplace. Like maybe there's something when you're developing, maybe it'll just show up. It's been so long since I've done this. I don't remember any of this. We'll go to explore apps and let's look for YTS and YTSB. Nah, not here. Okay. Well, let's try this. Let's go to one of my repos in my org here. So we'll just go out and we'll go into my repositories. And we're just going to do a new, just like blah. It doesn't really matter. We'll say AA. And let's go ahead and create this. All right. And let's see if I can install it this way. It's almost as if I need to install the app in my org, even though I'm the creator of it. Okay. Let's go and do that then. Haha. Hey, there's, I have a link. There we go. All right, so let's see here. App setting. All right, cool. So let's see if I install this, what's going to happen. So first of all, I'm just going to just open up a new tab and put it in here. Let's see what happens when I install. Ah, perfect. Yes, I can select my thing. We're good. All right, so yeah, now that that's working, I need to set up a proxy because I want to see what that event's going to look like. So let's go ahead and start up my proxy server. I guess I'll make this full screen so I can actually see things. And we don't want a debug terminal. In fact, I don't even want this to be here. I'm gonna just kill this terminal. And we're gonna open a new terminal. And then this one we'll do yarn dev proxy. This is a custom command, so it'll just work. And then I also need to create another thing, and we'll say yarn dev tunnel. If I can spell. All right, perfect. Now we have my tunnel. And what I'm going to have to do is, oh, wait a minute. Yeah. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to point it to this URL here. All right, so we'll go ahead and take this URL there. And I think I want this on another screen. All right. So before I do anything, I'm not going to install it yet. I'm going to go back to the configuration of this app. Wait, how many of these do I have open? Okay, all right. So let's go to the app. What account am I in? Oh, I'm in the wrong account. Okay. Let's go into code and color. Wait, whoa, what is this? YT, wait. I already did this? Shit, okay. I didn't even realize. Dang it. That's fine. I'm gonna delete this. We're gonna delete all this. Just revoke. We're gonna advance. Then we'll just delete GitHub app. They think I'm gonna type it, but I won't. All right, there we are. So I'll edit this, and the callback URL is gonna be basically all of this, except I'm gonna delete all of this, and we will put that link right there. And the webhook URL is the same thing. We'll just plop that link right there. All right, and let's save the changes. All right. And while I'm at it, let's go to that. Well, first of all, let's just close all this other crap. It's gonna confuse the hell out of me. I'll close everything else. Just close it. We don't want to see anything. All right, and then we'll open up the webhook route, which is here. And I'm gonna just throw a breakpoint here. All right. Now let's save this, or save changes. Cool. And we will go to the client or the thing to install it, which is probably this right here. Oh, it's not. Okay. Well, shit. What is it then? Seriously, the link that I just had doesn't work anymore? Oops. Yeah, what happened to my install link? What the hell? Oh, I had to create a new client secret? Why did it? Oh, okay, fine. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. We're going to delete this. We're going to delete this. I don't want to show this secret, but apparently I can't do it. So let's generate a new one and see what happens. Can I delete it now? Yes. So I'm going to, yeah, it's going to be here for now. And then I'll come back here and put the real one in. But for whatever reason, I can't, like, I don't know how to, oh, never mind. It's here. Public page. We're good. Okay. So let me kind of go off screen right quick so that I can take that secret, because I actually will need it. So let me just come over here. You know what? Never mind. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just, y'all can look at me. Y'all can look at my face. How about that? So we're gonna generate a new client secret, and I get a 404. I got a 404 when I click client secret. My gosh, what's going on? All right, let's try this again. We're gonna go into here. Let's do edit, and it's here now. Oh my gosh! All right, let me go back to me. I'm going to generate a new one. Do I get a 404 this time? I don't. Okay. It's in my clipboard. We'll delete here. All right. And I'm also going to put this in my, I'm going to put this in Visual Studio right now in my environment. And I know you can't see it. That's the point. So we're going to call this GitHub app secret SK. Cool. Save that off, and we'll close it. Now I can come back to sharing my screen. All right. Oh wait, no, I can't. I'm going to first refresh. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Yeah. So yeah, now y'all can't see my secrets. I don't want y'all doing stuff to my secrets. You know. All right. Let's go to the public page and let's do an install. Except it's not. It's oh come on now. It's not letting me select where I want to install this. What's up with that? How did this just work? And now I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a bit confused right now, because I was just like, I had the little link over here and it's not here anymore. So I'm just like, all right, what the hell? Do I just not know what I'm doing anymore? Which is fair. It's valid. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's been so long since I've done this type of work. But yeah, let's see if we can find the link that I need so that I can install this in the right place. And we'll go back into code and color settings here. Man, I don't understand why that link isn't working anymore. This was it right here. Oh, wait. We won't say this. We'll say /bot. Ah, there we go. Okay. I don't know why, but that link isn't appearing in the page where it appear anymore, and I just don't understand. And it's not letting me select the account I want to do this under. I don't want to do it under this organization. Last time it showed me all of my organizations, and I wonder if let's see if I open this in Firefox, will it do a little bit better? Man, it takes so long to open things, and it's not even the right version of Firefox that I want to open it in. Do you remember when you would open a browser and it would open instantly? That's not the case anymore. Nowadays, you spend $6,000 on a computer and it takes 30 seconds for a damn browser to open up. It's insane. Oh my gosh. Use my freaking authenticator app. Like, no, never. Don't ask me again. All right, and that doesn't work. Oh, it's not. Okay, I'm tripping. Okay, all right. Now let's see if it'll present me with my orgs. Doesn't. Okay. All right. Gosh. I scroll back. I guarantee, like the first time I did this, it showed me all of my orgs, and it's not giving me that option anymore. I don't want to install it in this org. I'm trying to install it in another org, and this isn't great so far. Let's see if I need to do anything with the configuration. Why is my webhook secret not here anymore? I wonder if that's why. Maybe. Probably not. Right now I'm reaching. I don't know what it is right now. Like why I cannot. Like, first of all, I should see the thing here. Like I should see a link that's like, oh yeah, install the thing. Now, obviously they have this public page here, but you know, it's not. Fuck. All right, I'm gonna just install and authorize for now, and then all right, cool. So we get the thing. I mean, fine. We won't look at it here. We'll look at it in the web interface. All right, so where did the request go? Here we are. I'm like, wait, I don't see it. Okay, here we go. I have to return to 200. GitHub expects that. So even if I fail, it doesn't matter. And if I need to, I can replay this. Here's the issue though. I don't want this. I want it in my other thing. The information that I'm going to use, that I'm going to install, like that I'm going to put in the profile, is going to be some stuff that's coming out of here. And I'll know about all the repositories and all that kind of stuff. So I'll just happen to, it'll be easy to deal with now. Now I got to figure out why I can't install this in the correct organization. Go away. Okay, all repositories. Cool. I am going to delete this because I didn't actually want to do this. I wanted to just see. I just want to kind of force it to see if it would allow me to then choose my org the next time. And yeah, I get the uninstall of it, which is great. I'll need to handle that on my side. Okay, let's go back. And instead of being in instead of going to that link from here, I'm just going to go to my profile and just see if that makes a difference. It shouldn't, but you never know, it may. Oops, we don't want that. We want this right here and it'll be bought. Okay, let's try the install again. Oh, come on. All right, I guess we're gonna have to go to GitHub, the docs. Okay, let's see. Registering, authorizing. Is there an install? No, that's not it. Creating GitHub apps, registering a GitHub app, authenticating with a GitHub app. About authentication. Your app should authenticate. Your app should authenticate itself. Authenticate as an installation on behalf of users. So we are going to do this, authenticate as an installation, because that's what I'm doing. And I want to know if there's something here that I have to like say to be like, hey, you know, I can install this in anything. It's not just my org. And I don't understand why I don't see it anymore. Let me go back. I now need to see it for myself because I'm confused. We'll turn this off. By the way, this is one of my superpowers. Because I record most of what I do, I can just come in here and see what I've done and see if, like, you know, if I did anything different. All right, so I know I probably want to be here. Okay, what's after there? All right, I went to install that. Yeah, that wasn't it. Oh, this was it. This is it right here. This is it right here. Okay. How in the hell did I get to here? Oh, I see. I see what's going on now. This was another app. So I wonder if, oh man, wait. How does this work? Is this because this is an old app and it was different back in the day? See, I had this public link here. Let's see if let's look for that public link. And how do I want to do this? We'll just go here. Go to code and color. GitHub apps, that thing. All right. So let's see how this is different. Let's go to data mode. Wow. Okay. I don't know. I'm actually lost now. Like, why can't I access this anymore? All right, let's see. Install app, advanced, optional. Man, this isn't great. Roscoe's in there barking. He's barking at something. He thinks somebody's knocking at the door. Let me let him out. There's no one at the door. I don't know why he likes to bark when someone knocks at the door, but if they were to come in, he would run behind me and then bark at them. He's a pretty useless dog, to be honest. Right now I'm learning that this shit's not working. That's what I'm learning. It's really it. I don't know. Well, for whatever reason, I can't access this same page here. So like let's make this bigger. So I was able to click on this link right there. And then when I clicked install, it showed all of my organizations. And I'm pretty sure I'll eventually do it, maybe. Yeah, right here. So I went here, I clicked install, and then it's like, install it where? I'm trying to figure out why I can't do that. That's what I need to do. I need to be able to select where I install this. Everything hinges on that. Like if I can't install this wherever the hell I want to install it, then this is a useless application to me. I wonder if I just need to just try to create a new one, and maybe there's some options that I overlooked. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna try to create another one right quick. Maybe there's an option that I overlooked. Come here. All right, let's see. We have post installation. We have a webhook. We have permissions. Administration. We don't want to do any of that kind of stuff. Account permissions. Block another user. Yeah, I don't want to do any of that either. Subscribe to events. Where can this GitHub app be installed? Okay, I figured it out. It's here. So let's see if I can edit this after the fact. Because if I can't, oh my gosh, I have to redo this again, which that sucks. It looks like I am gonna have to do it again. Fuck. All right, well, here's what I've learned. I just learned something. You have to get it right the first time. That's what I'm learning. You know, I can't just be silly and make all my mistakes and be like, I'll fix it later. I am going to there's certain things that I'm going to have to get right the first time, which sucks. Sucks ass. Fuck. I'm still trying to figure out a way to avoid it because I don't want to do it. I'm like, oh man, this sucks. I'm going to have to do all that again. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Fine. You know what? Fine. I'll just do it. Let's delete this. We've just wasted time here, but you know, it's whatever. Okay, let's create a new GitHub app, and it's going to be the same thing. YTSB, and then it'll be a bot. So it's YouTube Slack bot. And I don't even know why I'm calling it this, but you know, that's what I call it because that was the first two things I integrated, I guess. The URL is here, so we'll do bot code and color. If I can type. Callback URL. Let's see, that was the ngrok thing, so we'll put that there. All right, and then that's going to be shit. I don't remember what it is. Auth GitHub, or wait, is it auth callback? No, it's auth GitHub. Okay, so it'll be whatever that is. So auth GitHub, I think. Yeah, GitHub. All right, and we'll do the same thing over here for the post installation. Wait. Request user authorization. Yes, we want to do that. We won't be doing this here. All right, and then for the webhook URL, it's going to be basically the same thing, that ngrok thing. Yeah, and then that should be API / I forgot. Webhook GitHub. Okay, webhook GitHub. All right, and then we'll make fuck it, I'm not gonna make a secret, just in case I have to do this again. I don't want to have to do effort. And let's look at my current application so I can copy most of that. Oh wait, I deleted it. Shit. All right, well, dang, now I have to remember what it is that I need to actually have. Okay, let's see, repository permissions. We need to be able to read and write to actions. I don't care about checks. I don't care about any of these things here. Commit statuses, don't care. I do care about contents though. I want to be able to read and write to contents. Custom properties, don't care about. Deployments, don't care about. Issues. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna write because maybe I want to put a label. Maybe I want to put a label on the issue. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna take it. Packages, don't care about. Projects, don't care about. I do care about pull requests. And I don't think I care about any. Yeah, no, I do. I care about this right here and then this right here. Cool, we're good. As far as the organization permissions, don't care. We're not doing anything. Now let's make sure I do the right thing. Any account. That's the key right there. So this is what I've learned, casual. I learned that I need to say any account if I want to make an app that I want to distribute to other people. Okay, let's say I want the installation target. Wait, what is this? What's this gonna give me? This event occurs when there is activity related to the user or organization account that a GitHub app is installed on. Okay. What type of activity related to the user? That would be very helpful to know. All right, I'll get an account. All right, sure, I'll just take it. Fine, we'll just take it. I'll do is I can always turn it off. I hope. Hopefully, I don't have to create a whole new app just to turn this shit off. All right. Merge queue, pull request. Maybe I do want to have like a label where if I apply a label to an issue, maybe my bot comes in and it does stuff. Maybe not. There's a push. I'm gonna take it. Fine. We'll do pull request. I can always ignore these things, right? Like I'll just get the event and I can decide if I want to do something to it. All right, workflow job, queue waiting in progress completed. Maybe I do want that because I am going to run some things on my machine. So maybe I'll have that. Workflow run requested or completed on a, okay. Workflow dispatch. No, I don't care. Pull requests, review. No, none of that. I don't care. Issues, don't care either. All right, cool. We'll go ahead and create the thing. All right, look at that. So now we're getting an event. We'll just go ahead and go on to the next thing. Now let's install the app. So now I have this thing. This is what I had. Okay, perfect. Okay, that was the missing piece. So if I install, I can now install it in my IMO Shepherd, and then we'll say only select repositories for now, and we'll install it in my Devlog repo. Okay, look at that. So we get an event, install event, and let's go back. Ah, shit. I forgot to make the page. Oh man. Ah, God dang it. All right, that's fine. We can always resubmit the event and then and have it do stuff, I guess. Shit, I forgot about that. So I created the page, but I didn't actually do anything. So that's why it's like giving me this right here. But we can still go in and inspect the event somewhere, maybe. Just open it up from here. Okay. Where is it? Webhook, GitHub. Perfect. Here we are. Look at that. So we get an action created. It's the right login, and we get some other information I don't care about right now. All right, and then it knows that. Okay. Then I get my access token. Perfect. Okay. So this is where I will go. I need to keep this URL. So this is probably what's going to get put in my database, so that when I am ready to get an access token, I'll just make a request to here. And that should give me my access tokens. We have app ID. Don't care about any of that right now. We get the repository ID. Okay. Sender, login. Is there anything else here that I care about? No, there's not. Look at that. We're good. Okay. And then we also get this here, which should fail because nothing exists. So this is where we're going to show that I don't know what I'm doing. This is next. I barely know next. I know remix a little bit better, just slightly. So here's how I do things. I come here and like, let's just drag it here. And I'm gonna literally just copy. We'll just do this. Wait, hold on. No, I'm not gonna do that. Or am I gonna do that? Function post, no. Wait, how is this? How is this here? This should be in the API. Yeah, this is my issue with Next. Like, I don't know where the hell this is running. Is this running on my server or is this running on the client? I'm assuming this is running on the server, but it's not in a place that I would expect it to be, but it's fine. It's whatever. We'll keep it here for now. And we'll just copy the other stuff that I have. So let's see what's in callback. Oh, it's just one of these two. Okay, fine. Let's see what I'm doing in Slack. Is it the same thing? Oh, I guess it is. Oh, no, it's not. We are, okay, so we are exporting a component, essentially, kind of, a little bit, not really. So I'm just going to copy that. All right, and then we can move on. Let's change this to what it needs to be. This is going to be the GitHub callback, GitHub app callback. All right. We are going to use the router. Is it going to give me state and all that kind of stuff? We'll look here. Yep, I get code and I get installation ID and I get a setup action. Okay, so we'll do that. So we'll do code installation ID. I think that's how it was spelled. I'm gonna copy it. I don't trust myself. I've learned enough about myself to know that I shouldn't be trusted. We'll recall this installation ID. All right, we're gonna use the right naming. All right. And the setup action, whatever, I'll take it. Maybe I'll need it one day. So we'll just take this line here. We'll just say setup action. So we'll call this setup action. All right. So I'm defining my callback function in line here. And what do I want to do? So we're going to make a request to my GitHub callback, which maybe doesn't exist yet. Or is it this test GitHub? I don't know what it is. YouTube off. Where is Slack? Okay, yeah. So I'll create another thing here. So we'll say, is this index or route? Okay, it needs to be route. Just the only purpose of this page is to take the data from that route and then send it to my server. All right, so this is going to go to GitHub auth callback. I'm almost, man, if I change this, it'll be too much effort because I have to go into other places and update it. But I kind of want this to be API/callback/GitHub and then API/callback/Slack and then API/callback/YouTube. That's what I think I would prefer. So that they're all consistent because this YouTube auth is the same thing. It's just I did this at different times and I didn't keep up with my naming convention. Anyway, it's going to be a post. We are going to pass in our code, the installation ID, and the setup action, and then we'll decide what to do on the server. So this is going to be on the client. The client is then going to make an API request to my server. The server is going to do some stuff and probably make an API request to GitHub to do some verification things. And then my server should then, once it processes that request, it should send something like a payload or maybe like a redirect or something like that with some information, and then I'm back into my app. So that's kind of the flow that we're going in right now. I know it seems confusing, and that's because it is. Cannot complete auth process, and this is a terrible error message, but I'm not going to change it. Then we're going to go here. If we actually get a code, we're going to call our callback. Otherwise, we don't actually want to call this. We want to wait until we actually get the code. And yeah, this is just for me debugging. It's for me. Okay, so let's try this again. Where is the thing? Okay, that's not it. Okay, so we'll go into my Devlog folder. I don't know, like it's so hard keeping up with all these tabs. Let me close that. All right, fine. We'll just go to it again. Apparently, I don't know what I've done. All right, let's uninstall. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Like, like, what is it doing? Is it not responding to my keyboard anymore? The fuck? Is it on the page? Like, what's going on? All right, I don't know what's happening here. Fine, we'll just stop the app. And we're waiting on the debugger to connect. No, I'm not gonna wait on this debugger to disconnect. What is this? This is, gosh, I don't even remember what I call this thing. We'll just search for Node because I think Node is running it. All right, so it's not, oh, okay, so it should be under dev, yarn dev. So let's just search for dev. Wait, okay, dev. All right, maybe yarn dev, or did it finish? Oh, it finished. Okay, it finally. Okay, fine. Okay, interesting. I don't know. I really don't understand why that hung up like that. Okay, something is weird right now. Yeah, I don't really understand what's going on at the moment. Let's. Okay, I can't start my app anymore. It's just hanging. And Visual Studio, okay, all right, here, I think I know what I need to do. I am going to have to like just quit Visual Studio, and let's make sure that I close out all node things. Something is obviously hanging, I don't know what it is. Let's see, okay, all right, fine, it closed, okay. And we'll close this as well. And I think I'm gonna do it all here. I'm gonna do it here. I think I don't want to do it in Visual Studio for certain things like the proxy, the tunnel, all that can be here. All right, so we'll do YT slackbot, and then we'll do yarn dev tunnel. Okay, let's close that session. All right, so now that I have that, I should be able to, oops, let's open one here. So go into that same directory, and we'll do the proxy now. I had to do the app first because like the port has to be listening. All right, perfect. This allows me to do HTTPS, and here's what I mean by that. So generally, when you're doing localhost like this, local host. You have to say the port 3000. However, I am proxying my traffic through this proxy here. So what I can also do is just say HTTPS, which is generally something that you can't do, and just say localhost. And I get to the same place. And if I come here, you'll see here that it's proxying from HTTPS to my thing. Why do I need this? Well, because with certain things, I have to use HTTPS, and this is the way to get around it. Try adding more emojis. Like to where? Wait, where are we talking about? I think I'm lost. Obviously, I saw this after, much later after you said it, so I don't know what you're talking about anymore. But all right, we have this. So because of this, I have to now go and update because I stopped paying for ngrok. I used to have it where I had my own domain and all that kind of crap, so I wouldn't have to do this. But here we are doing it again, and I'm not even in the right org this time, so we need to open up a new GitHub thing. We'll go to my org. Let's do some configuration. And while I'm at it, I'm going to take this link here, and we're going to open up a new thingamajig. And we're going to go into code and color, Slackbot, and we're going to edit the README. So we're going to say GitHub app. Just add a new line here. So we'll say GitHub app. Just dump that in there. So I don't have to keep thinking about it and like, where is this shit at? It's just here. So we're good. All right. So we'll go ahead and commit this directly to main. Yep. Bypass. No fucks. Cool. So now I can get to my GitHub app easily without having to do all of what I've just done. Now let's throw in the new ngrok endpoint, which is this one right here. It's 77, whatever that is. So we'll just come down here and just put that there. And then we'll save. All right, cool. So now I should be able to reinstall the app in my org, or I'm sorry, not in my org, in my repository. So come to here. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. I just want to find my app. It was ytsb-bot something. This. All right. Install. We'll install. Okay. All right. Look at that. If we are, we'll say only for Devlog or not. Devlog. And before I do any of this, like before I actually finish this, I want to add another breakpoint. So we're going to go to the, oh shit, oh, never mind. I forgot. The thing that I need doesn't exist yet. So we will get an error if I keep going. So let's add the route for GitHub in the API endpoint. So is it here? No, it's not here. Where is the GitHub? Did I delete it? Oh no, it's here, GitHub. Wait a minute. Okay. I have no idea. Oh, whoa. Okay, I see what's happening. So this is going to go away. So GitHub auth callback is going to replace GitHub auth. This is how I was setting the personal access token, so that I can actually, make authenticated requests and create the PRs. So all right, I'm good. We're good. I was a little confused. I'm like, why the hell am I doing this? So I'm gonna just kind of copy that boilerplate BS, and let's import everything that I need. All right, and this is a post, and that post is happening from here. See, so GitHub back, whatever that is. And we need to get this stuff out of the body. And fortunately, I'm doing that in other places, so I'm gonna just copy that too. We'll do requests. Where are we getting that out from? Right here. We'll call this our request body, which doesn't exist. Or does it exist? Is this a type that I created? Yes, it is a type that I created. Okay. I'm just going to define an inline because right now I don't give a shit. Like I just don't care right now. So we'll say it's going to have the installation. No, it's going to have a code, which is going to be a type string. It's going to have the installation ID, which is a type string, and it's going to have the action. Wait, what did I call it? I've already forgotten what I called it. The setup action. Okay, setup action. We'll say that. So we'll say setup action. String. All right, so this should be, I don't know, we'll just call it, we'll literally just extract it out. This looks disgusting, but whatever. Just bear with me. I'll clean this up one day. All right, so we'll do that. And for now, I'll just kind of like log it, and then we'll work from there. So we'll say installation. In fact, I want this to be in an object. So we'll do that. Oops. Why is this not working? Okay, installation ID and then setup action. Okay. So at least now, like I can do the thing and I should see something written here. So let's install it. So we'll install authorize. Okay, and we get the thing. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, here we are. So it writes it out. So we get the code, the installation ID, and the setup action. And it's complaining because I didn't actually do this right here. So and I probably should do something like that. But here's what's going to happen. I see that there are a few people here. So my bad. I will be back in 10 minutes. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back. My dog is, oh my gosh, he's fucking annoying. Apparently, at least, I don't know, I thought he had to use it. He actually didn't. He was just fucking bothering me. So I took him downstairs to use it. He did like 3 little drips and he's running back. I'm like, you fucking idiot. I took him out, not long ago. That's why I'm like, you shouldn't have to use it. So I guess he just was trying to get my attention. He got it. Now he's not going to get it again. All right, so I need to store some of these things. Like there's some things that I'm going to need to do to actually finish the authentication. And I want to say that I do want to install I want to keep this installation ID. There's going to be some database work that I'm about to get ready to do, which means I'm going to have to go and redefine or update a type or something like that. We are going to close that. I don't need that. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to, come on now, please, just like, okay. Why is everything just not working? I don't understand. Like, what the hell? I don't understand. I don't get it. Things just don't work. All right, let's see. Integration, developer documentation. Fine, we'll look at that. Authenticate on behalf of users. Authenticate as an installation. Who do I go to? All right, so we need to generate this. Get the ID of the installation you want to authenticate as. Wait. Okay, so I need to make a request to whatever this is, app installations. I don't know if I can use OctoKit to do that. I hope I can, because I don't want to have to actually write it myself. Granted, it's easy to do, but I'm also lazy and I don't want to do anything. We'll close this for now. I don't need to look at that. Close all of this. Oh wait, oh shit. I just realized that nobody even told me. Y'all are just staring at me. Y'all didn't see anything that I was just doing, huh? I solved the problem and y'all didn't even say nothing. It's done. You missed it. It's too bad. Yeah, I can use OctoKit. Okay, look at that. All right, that's what I was curious about. Like, can I use OctoKit? Because I don't want to have to think. OctoKit handles a lot of things for me. So all of this, out the window. We're not doing that. All right, create a new instance of the app. In the following example, replace app ID with the reference to your app's ID. Replace private key with the reference to the value of your app's private key. Okay. And then using OctoKit method to make a request to REST API endpoint that requires job. Oh, it creates a job for me. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Now let's see if I can not get these things confused because they're named very close to one another. And anytime I have things that are too closely named, oh my gosh, it results in all kinds of confusion for me. But I want to say I should be able to do some of this stuff from the GitHub auth, I think. No, I can't. No, I can't because I'm using a personal access token. Yes, I will need to get OctoKit. We'll import OctoKit, that from that. Okay. I wonder if I have a helper anywhere for OctoKit stuff. Let's see. OctoKit. I may have already done some of this work, so I need to go and check. Oh, and before I forget, I need to create a new branch. I'm on main right now. So we'll just pull whatever's latest. And then we'll create a new branch. And what are we going to call this? We're going to call this GitHub Apps. Of course, I want to bring these changes over. All right, cool. So now we are all in the things. We're gonna do some trying and catching. Oops, wait, what? Let's do some trying and catching. At the moment, I'm not actually gonna do anything. I'm just log out whatever the error is. We'll say something along the lines of, I don't know, unable to authenticate GitHub app. Got to put some respect on GitHub's name. Make sure that we spell it right. And let's just dump the error there. Cool. So I have OctoKit now, and according to the docs, I should just be able to import the app from OctoKit. Okay, sure, we'll do that. So we won't get OctoKit, we'll get the app. And no, there's just OctoKit. I don't know if I've ever used just OctoKit. Yeah, I've never used OctoKit. I've only used OctoKit, the REST client. So I guess we need to install just regular OctoKit, not this one. But I don't know what that is, so we'll look for it. We'll search npm packages and we'll say OctoKit. So we have REST, request types, GraphQL, next endpoint. Where in the hell do I get this from? You must install and import OctoKit in order to use OctoKit JS library. The following example users import state. Okay, that's not helpful. Where do I get OctoKit? Or do I already have OctoKit and I just need to not do that right there? Am I about to be blocked because I don't know what the hell this package is? Like, where do I get it? It's in OctoKit. Okay, let's see if I can just do OctoKit/OctoKit. Let's try that. We'll say nope. Can I use any of these things? Well, let's take a look-see. It's coming from OctoKit. Okay. How do I install it? Like, is it? I don't think it's just called OctoKit. Maybe it is. You know what? Here, let me try that again. Oh fuck! Oh, come on! Oh my gosh! I don't see anything that's OctoKit. Let's go to npm directly. Okay, so maybe was this only searching what I have installed? Is that what's going on here? How come this didn't pull up? This is silly. My tools don't work. It didn't pull up the thing, so it's here. But okay, sure. How do I install it? It shouldn't be this hard. Yes, I get it. I install. Okay, it's just OctoKit. Okay, it's just OctoKit. I don't know why that was so difficult. All right, cool. Now I have, okay, all right, my gosh. All right, so we're gonna do whatever that is. We'll do this. We'll try to create an app. And we're gonna put in the app ID, which I wanna say is coming from somewhere. Obviously it's coming from somewhere. I don't know where though. Here we are. So is there an ID here? Yes, this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add this to my environment. In order to do that, I'm also gonna hide, I'm just gonna hide my screen. So we're looking at me now for now. So we'll go into my env and then we'll say GitHub app ID. All right, look at that. Save it off, close it off, and now we'll come back. Cool. So now I should be able to like get these things, but I forgot how I'm actually getting. Am I actually getting it from process, or did I create a common file that I normally do? Process.env. Okay, I did. Oh shit. Normally what I do is I create what do you call it? Like a common file, like a file in common, which is what I've done here. So let me show, here's an example of that. Normally this is what I would do. And I think I'm just going to repeat this pattern. I don't want to switch it up too much. So we'll call this GitHub. Wait, is GitHub already here? Oh, it is. Look at that. Okay. All right, cool. So we'll just throw it in here. This isn't ever, it's not going to ever change. So we'll do it like this. So we'll say exports and then we'll say GitHub app. Why do I have a next response in here? Wait, why am I doing this? Am I actually using that? I should not be doing this. Yeah, I don't like this. Yeah, we're just gonna return the JSON. Like we're just gonna return it as is. So we'll just say return that. This is gonna break something else, but I'll deal with that in the future. I don't want this here at all. I should never have a dependency on next in any of this type of code. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we'll go into process, env, and then this should be GitHub app ID. GitHub app ID and a private key. I think that's what I call secret. Okay, so we'll say process, env, GitHub, secret. I've already forgotten what it is. I had to hide my screen again. I don't have a good memory. So this is going to be app secret. All right, so save that off again. All right, come back. Cool. Type string undefined. I should really, I'll just do this. It's fine. These are cans that I'm kicking down the road that I'm pretty sure I'll regret later. But for now, we're gonna just keep going. We'll go with it. And now what I'll do is we'll just import the app from common GitHub or something like that. I cannot type. Like, what the hell? What's wrong with me? I don't know what's wrong with me. I need to create aliases. Let's go to my tsconfig right quick. All right, so I have this paths here. Let's do one for common. So we'll say at common, and we'll say slash that. And I want this to map to source. What is it? Source app. I have to do it. Okay, in common. Okay, all right, in common. Cool. So now I should be able to come here and just say at common, maybe. Yeah. Okay. And we'll just pull this off from GitHub. Cool. That way I don't have to like know where things are. That's just too much effort. I'm not smart enough to know where things are. All right, cool. Now we have the GitHub app. We will pull in the GitHub app and maybe we'll do some with the GitHub app. So what do we want to do? Each installation, each repository, git installation, octokit. Oh, awesome. All right, I don't know what I need to do from here. So let's go back to docs. Okay. So I need to do app octokit request. Wait, I didn't see that. Wait. Oh, no. Okay, it's me being dumb. Okay. Requests. And then I need to make a request to somewhere. I don't know what I need to make a request to. Was that a git or was it a... Oh, it's just slash app. Yeah, we'll just put slash app. That's easy enough. Slash app. Cool. So what is this going to do? What do I get from here? What is this returning to me? Okay, let's just go into the actual definition. Oh, wait. No, that's not what I wanted. Oh, come on. Work with me, VS Code. I want to know what this is. Okay, so we're going to get an octokit response. Sure. Fine. Sure, whatever. Okay. We'll just call it OC octo response, octores. We'll call it that. All right. I guess I do want to write out data. We'll just put it here. Dump that in there. Okay, cool. So I wonder what I need this code and installation ID for. Like, what is this for? For some reason, I don't think this is right. I think it's as an installation that I want to do. And I am right. Look at that. I'm right. Look at that. Okay, so then this isn't correct. We'll do .git installation and then we'll put in the installation ID. Yeah, that makes more sense than what the hell I was just doing. Cool. Now we don't know what this is, or maybe we do know what it is and it's just upset that I need to do something else. What else? Git installation octokit. Does it not take a string? Oh, it takes a number. Oh, okay. So then, I forgot how you freaking parse a number. Is it parse int maybe? I think it's parse int. Yeah, parse int, and then we'll dump the string and then we'll close that out. And I want to say that the radix is going to be 10 because it needs to be in base 10. Now we'll show, okay, let's put the I. All right, yeah, we're good now, cool. Sorry, sometimes I forget how to do things in certain languages because I use too many different languages. Just being real, like it's just too many. All right, so this is going to be our installation. So we'll call this our GitHub app installation. Or app installation, we'll call it that. App installation. We'll dump this in here. there anything that I want to get? Okay, it's gonna have auth and some other things, I guess. Oh, is this a function? Oh, it is. Okay. All right, so maybe there's more stuff that I need to do. Maybe that's not it. Oh wait, OctoKit GraphQL. No, I don't want to do any of that. Oh, wait a minute. I think I understand what's going on here now. This is gonna make my life a lot easier. I don't even have to really define my own webhooks. All right, this is dope. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. I understand what's happening now. So yes, I can create this installation and all this, but I actually don't need to get the installation right now. All I need to do is store this in the database. Now I have I think it's called profile or something like that. Profile context. Let's just search for it. Profile. Come on, search. Why is it so slow? What the hell? I don't like waiting for things. It's too long. I don't remember anything about this project. I should do a better job of remembering what I've done. Do I have types at least? Let's see, do I have types? I don't. Where do I put this? Is it in auth? Profile, integration. Yes, here we are, integration configuration. This is what I was looking for. And then we have GitHub integration. All right, all this right here, I don't need it. All I need is the app ID, I think. The installation ID. So I'm going to change this. Yeah, I'm going to change. I'm a little scared to do it. Gosh, okay. Yeah, we'll change this. We'll call this the installation ID. Installation ID. And it does need to be string or undefined because it may not actually be here. Honestly, you know what? I don't like this. I would rather the integration itself be the thing that's either there or not there. But I have a helper function that makes sure that that this is all where it's supposed to be. So that's why I'm doing it this way. But maybe in the future I'll become a little smarter and not do it this way. So we're gonna grab the installation ID. All right, cool. And now that I've done that, none of this other shit exists anymore, which is, oh man. So instead of doing this new OctoKit, what I think I have to do is I'm now going to have to get the installation each and every time. Right, so this app right here, that's what I'm going to be using from here on out. So OctoKit this, I think it's going to go away. So we'll just get rid of that and we'll just fix all the errors. All right, so whenever I do any of these things, the first thing that I have to do is I have to get the installation. So that'll be app dot something. Wait, is it app? Uh-oh. Maybe I'm wrong. App dot. Wait, where's this other app? Where's this app come? What is this app? It definitely knows that it's okay. It knows this type. Wait, what the hell? Oh, I'm tripping. I am tripping. I forgot that I no longer have to do that. That's literally what I just did. I just spent time making this GitHub app, so I don't have to do that anymore. All right, I'm tripping. Okay, let's go back to GitHub. And it's not going to be this. It's going to be GitHub app. So I no longer am going to import OctoKit at all. I'm just going to import from myself. And we will have this import for me eventually. So we're going to not do new. We're just going to say GitHub app. And it's still not popping up. All right, that's fine. So we'll just do it this way. We'll say GitHub app. And that'll be from common. Yeah, maybe I need to restart the TypeScript server so that it knows to get these things, maybe. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, whoa. I feel dumb now. I should actually look at the code that I have instead of just assuming. I was already in it. It's here. All I need to do is that. It's easier than I thought. I'll just do that. Cool. We have GitHub app, and then we'll get the installation. Actually, I don't even think I need to do that. I think I just go to AutoKit because I will have already authenticated, so it should already be in context here. Now I just have to remember what was I even doing here? I've already forgotten what I was doing. Do I just get the resting? Do I just do that? Okay, so we get AutoKit, and then yeah, that was it. Yeah, that's okay. It's easier than I thought. Okay, where's this handle coming from? What the hell? Oh, we don't need this anymore. This should come from AutoKit itself. So let's see, we should be able to do this. And let's see, is there a, no, not that, GitHub app. And there should be like an OAuth or something like that. Not an OAuth, there should be, would it be from AutoKit? Auth? All right, so I got to figure out how to get this other stuff out of context. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to store that in the database because I don't know if, yeah, I'm gonna just store that. So we'll say org read only. We'll say org name will be a string. We'll also do, what else do I need? The repo. So owner and repo. Okay, so yeah, we'll do owner and repo. So owner. Okay, oops. Cool, so now I have that and I have to go over here and like make sure I have all that. So these are all just gonna be, you know, undefined. And there is a smarter way of doing this, but I'm just gonna kind of keep the pattern for now because it's not that important to me right now. It's just so that I can move forward. All right, let's go back to, we don't need this. Get rid of that. Okay, so we should get that out of context now. So we'll say CTX. Did I not call it? Oh, I called it owner. Okay. Yeah, sure. We'll call it owner. Okay, cool. All right, I think, yeah, that's good. And I know technically this does need to be outside, but yeah, whatever, we'll keep it. We'll just kind of do the same thing over and over and over again. So we'll get AutoKit. And owner. Maybe, you know what? I'm going to rename it to handle because I may be using handle in other places and I don't want to have to go and update it everywhere else. So we'll call this the handle. All right, cool. Okay. We'll just kind of keep copying and pasting here. Honestly, there's no reason to do this. This is dumb. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do this. What I'm instead gonna do is just do that. I don't want this line here. It's not doing anything. Same thing over here as well. We'll just replace it with this. Yeah, that way we can remove lines of code that don't actually do anything useful for us. And then I can just kind of do that. It's kind of cool that now I don't have to worry about this personal access token because it'll just be in context. All right, and yeah, sure, we'll do the same thing here. And last one, look at that. So I can delete this last one here and do that. Okay, all right, cool. Now my GitHub function should work, hopefully, maybe. See what else that I have going on. All right, all my problems are gone. I don't know if I believe it, but sure. It's what it says. Now here's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to write this stuff to the database. And I had a function to do that. It was like something pat or something. Let me see if I can find that. PAT. Or was it auth? Auth. Okay, all right. I don't know what the thing was that I was calling. So we'll find out. We'll just go to this GitHub auth and then we'll look. I wasn't calling anything. Okay, I was just doing it all in line like a dumbass. Okay, well, we won't do that anymore. What we'll instead do is pull some of this stuff out right here, like that. And I want to have a, I want to write this in the database. So what we'll do is do this update configuration stuff. Context, request body, request. Okay, it will kind of copy that out and pull it out over into here. So I actually don't need to do this at all. Wait a minute. No, maybe I do need to do that. Okay, yeah, maybe I do need to do that. So once I do that, assuming that it works, I'll do this other stuff here. So we'll update the config. All right. And then we're going to go into our profile integration. Yeah, we'll just spread out all the things. Let's go ahead and import this. Did it do my import right? No, it didn't. Dang, it didn't do my import. All right, I'm going to have to figure out why it's not doing it the way that it needs to be done. Okay. And then that's going to be equal to profile. We'll figure that out in a second. Actually, we'll figure it out now. Okay, so yes, I do need to do this part. So that means this right here means that the user has to be logged in, and this profile is like the profile within the bot, if that makes sense. It's kind of confusing, but you know, it's yeah. I don't know what else to say. All right, and if we don't get a profile, I guess I do want to do this response right here. And okay, it's not smart enough to know that this comes from HTTP status codes. So we'll say status codes from HTTP status. Okay. You know what? We'll do the authentication first. All right. So yeah, we're going to try this. And maybe this line needs to go up here. Maybe. So we're going to try to authenticate. And assuming that we are able to assuming we are able to authenticate, we'll pull out the code and all that kind of crap. And then we will get the installation. Hopefully that'll work. If it does work, then it's okay to go over here and like, you know, do this stuff over here. I should be able to pull out context from the profile. I don't understand why I'm not doing that already. Or wait, where was I getting context at before? I won't have this context here. This is actually, I think this should come from the installation. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. We'll say the installation ID. We'll just set that first. Say installation ID. Or, oh yeah, well, yeah, we're good. We'll just do that. And I would like to get the handle and all that kind of stuff. It's just that I don't think I can. But I think what I can do though is once I get the installation, I think I should be able to get some information about it, about, you know, this particular profile, maybe. But I don't know. I guess I could go read docs, you know, there's always that. I want to get profile information. That's what I'm after. We'll say request, and let's see, what are my options? Sends a request based on input options. Okay, maybe I don't want that. Maybe I can just go to rest and then do some like profile here. Or account, maybe? All right, how do I get my profile information? Is it users? Let's try users. See what's in here. Get by username, get authenticated. Okay. All right, so we'll run that. I guess I won't do any params, and we'll say current user. We'll await that. Let's see, what do I get on current user here? Data. Do I get the handle at all or the owner? All right, login. Okay. Why is it different? It's all right. Yeah, we'll get the login. That's what I want. I want the login. So we'll say the handle is going to be the current user data login. The org name will also be from current user, I think. Org. Oh, seriously? Damn it, man. All right, well, that's just going to be empty. We're not going to worry about org name. Repo, let's see, current user. And here's the thing. I will only know this when the installation happens. So maybe I don't want to do any of this. Yeah, maybe I don't want to do any of this. I'll just create the record here, and then in my webhook, I would have to handle it there. Let's see, import this. Type property GitHub is in. Wait, what? I thought I made those things optional. It's complaining because I don't have these things, but I didn't think I needed them. All right, whatever. Sure. Okay, we're gonna update the integration configuration. Now, I think this is a this is part of Supabase, the database, and it's not getting my imports right. I will need to figure out why at some point in my life. Not today though. Okay. All right, we're going to see if there's an error. If there is, we'll do some things. Okay. Now, I want to say I should be able to wire up a webhook here. Maybe. Or maybe I want to do that here in GitHub land. Oops. So let's do a function for wiring, or yeah, we'll go to the GitHub app thing. We'll say GitHub app. And then we'll say each install. Yeah, each installation. Or webhooks here. Yeah, here we are. Or wait, maybe I want this. Each installation. What is this? What am I gonna get here? I get to give it a callback. Okay, the callback is going to be a each installation function. OctaKit. We're gonna get some paging, some GraphQLing, some extended objects from something. I guess just a response. And then it's gonna take a query and some stuff. Okay, sure. Let's just see what happens. Ah, shoot, my bad. Wait, why do I not know how to mute? Okay, there we are. Okay. Oops. Let's just say X here and see what is X. Installation. Look at that. This is actually what I want. So I want the... Okay, maybe this isn't what I want. I thought I would get the org name here. Or would I need to go into events? Oh, it's a string of events. No, that's not it. Okay, maybe it's not this that I want. Although the app ID. Yeah, we're gonna have to debug this one. I don't know. I actually don't know. And I don't want to read the docs because that would make too much sense. No, we don't read docs over here. All right, how does this work? What does this expect? All right, webhooks is OctaKit. Okay. And we want a query. Okay. And it needs to return a promise. Or these other things. Okay, so it's just, okay, so we'll call this an async something. And then we'll return something, I suppose. I should get OctaKit. Oh, come on, fuck. Come on now. I should get OctaKit from here. So let's, maybe I can, nope. Is it not webhooks? No, it is. It's definitely webhooks. Oh, okay. On. Yeah, that makes sense. So we'll say on, and then we can give it the event name, I suppose. Yes, look at that. Look at me figuring stuff out without reading docs. So it's going to be on installation. I don't know the difference between created or deleted. So I'll say, actually, I might be able to find that difference by just looking at the event here. Because I did it at one point. Not that one, callback, not that one. None of this is it. How do I, what is it? It's gonna be API/GitHub. All right, search doesn't work, fine. Okay, I'm just gonna have to read through all of this like a caveman. Nah, that wasn't it. I just want to see the raw thing. No, that's not it either. One of these was it. I remember doing it. Like it showed me all the stuff. Maybe I auth callback API webhook. Oh, here, this right here. Okay. So it's created. Okay. So I guess I do want created, not install. So we'll say install.created or installation created, whatever that is. And I should get OctaKit here. I thought maybe. Let me just go look at the definition. So we're going to pass a callback of a handler function. Let's see what handler function is. All right, a handler function. I'm going to get the event. Okay. Just put E here. E. So it knows that, okay, what the hell? How come I'm not getting IntelliSense? Obviously, TypeScript knows. Oh, wait, hold on. Maybe it doesn't know. No, it definitely knows. Obviously, TypeScript knows that like it's an event, but whatever, fine. I'll take it. We'll just say event, and then let's see, what are we gonna get on that event? We're gonna get an ID. We can get OctaKit out. Perfect. Okay. And the payload. Okay. So then what we'll do is we'll say const octokit, and we'll say equal event. Well, basically we're destructuring here. So if I'm doing this, I wonder if I can just do it here, octokit. Okay, no, oh, it's giving me completion now. Interesting. All right, well, we'll take it all. I don't have to do this. I don't understand why it wasn't giving me completion before, but it is now, so I won't complain. I mean, I will complain, but I just won't complain as much. Okay, so now that I have octokit, I can do things like if I want to. But for now, we're gonna go to the payload and let's see what we can get out of payload. It is the installation. Perfect. So that means I maybe don't give a shit about this right now. For now, we'll see. Maybe I do. All right, so we're gonna get the installation, which is something that I need. I want to put that in the database. What else do I get? Installation has account, the login, but I don't know if that's the right one though. Is IML in here anywhere? IML. Yes, here we are. Wait, no, that's not it. Sender. Okay, so we're gonna do sender. So I want to grab the sender, and from here we'll grab the login. Okay. What else do I need? Is there like an organization name in here? Organization. I should see I am will somewhere. Unless sender is the organization. The only way to know is to do it on my org, like install it in code and color and see, but I don't want to do that right now. Okay, so we get login, code and color. So this right here is me. Like this is my app. So we don't care about that right now. We don't care about installation. I do care about the repository though. And the repository selection should not be all. It should be a specific one, and I think that was the next one. So let's see, webhook, webhook GitHub. This one failed, but maybe that's okay. Non-blocking is wait. This is weird. What? Hook app ID web installation target. No. All right, where's the repositories? Oh, here we are. Repository selection. Okay, select it. And then, yeah, we can figure out all that later. Except we don't have to. The client will handle all that for me. Remember, I've never actually, I haven't used this in a while. I normally use the REST client. I don't know if we use this for desktop. I don't remember. But we need to go into repositories, which seems like it's part of installation, I think. So we'll grab the repositories. No, wait, no. Gosh, what was it? I've already forgotten. No, it's repositories. I think. Interesting. Oh, wait, repository selection. This should just be the string, if I'm not mistaken. All are selected. Yeah, I don't see repository. Let's just keep it installation now, and let's see if we can use type narrow in here. So we can say if installation is equal to selected. I'm surprised that, oh wait, not installation. It's installation dot something, maybe. What was it? Selection here. So if it's equal to the selected, this should be an enum. Yeah, perfect. Then we want to grab the repository. So we'll say repo. Select, yeah, we'll just call it the repo, and we'll grab it from the installation. And let's see if it's here now. Repository. No, it's not. How do I get access to this repository? Where is this in? Like, how is this? I don't understand how this is structured. No matter, we can figure it out. We'll collapse this. Permission. It's not part. Oh, okay. I see. So it's not part of installation. It's its own thing. Okay. We're learning. Repositories. Yeah, okay, perfect. So I guess I don't need to do that right there. So we'll say const repo equals repositories 0. Yeah, we'll do this, and then we'll say repositories 0. What do you mean? I'm confused. Why is this not working? How is it undefined? Oh, I'm tripping. I'm dumb. Okay, we're gonna do that. Or maybe I should just, let me see. So we'll ask the question. We'll say if it's there, we'll grab it. We'll grab the first thing. And in fact, I want to check to see if the length is just greater than 1. So if the length, we'll grab the first one. Otherwise, honestly, we'll throw an error, to be honest. But for now, I'm just going to ignore. It won't. We'll just pretend that an error won't happen. Or how about this? I will just default to something. We'll call it default. I don't know. I don't want it to be empty. Okay. So we have the repo. We have the org name, aka login. No, I'm sorry. That's me. We don't have that. And then I don't even think I need the installation. Okay, so now let's go back to here, and we will take this little function that we got here. Okay, so we're gonna, oh man, technically I can't do this because at this point I actually won't know. And I wonder if I do this on the page on the server, will like I should be able to take advantage of the closure, but then I'm wondering like if I'm gonna have to worry about some other things. So I'm just going to put it in the other thing, and I'll close over it, and we'll determine if I'm going to need to worry about some stuff later. So we'll just kind of put this in here. And I want this to be down here, I think. And this catch is no, well, yeah, technically that still needs to be there. And wait, yeah, so we'll also need to do a try catch in here as well. Looks like I don't need OctaKit for anything. I'm not gonna do anything with it. I don't need the ID. I'll just grab the payload for now. It looks like I'm not going to use that. All right, we're gonna put login. Org name, I don't really know what to put there for now, so I'm just keep it undefined. And the repo is literally going to be the repo. We'll just dump repo like that. Why is this upset? ID number string is not assignable to. Oh, okay. I forgot. So, okay, we'll change this to be a number, not a string. Okay. Now, what else do we have? Wait. Wait, I thought I parsed that. Did I delete that? I guess I did. Okay. Looks like I deleted that. I thought I parsed it, so we'll say parse it. And we'll put in our installation ID, and we'll put in 10 for our base. Now, what do we have? Type ID, number, node ID, string. Where's node ID string coming from? What? Type ID, number, node. Yeah. Some stuff is not assignable to type string. What are we talking about here? I don't understand this. It'd be dope if I can make this larger, or like move it around. Name, node ID. Where's node ID coming from? Oh, okay. Yeah, all right, my bad. So this is gonna be repo. This right here. This needs to be a string, and this thing right here is an object, potentially. So I think what I want to do is just move this line down. That's the easiest thing to do. And then we'll grab the thing that I actually want. So this will be the name. All right, there we are. Okay. I think, I don't know, maybe this will work. It compiles. I don't really, it compiles. I don't know, maybe, I guess that means it works. That's actually one of the things about, if you're new to programming, one of the things that you have to just get in the mindset of is that just because something compiles doesn't mean that it works. And to be honest, it's much worse in dynamic languages like just regular JavaScript, because it'll run, but just because it runs doesn't mean it works. Where at least with the compilation, if it compiles, you can have at least some assuredness that it may work. It probably won't, but it may work. Okay, so now that I've done all of that, let's just see what happens. We're gonna throw a breakpoint here. And where is, all right, here we are. So we're gonna log in. Excuse me. What? Oh, shit. Oh. There, all right, perfect, we're good. Okay, now let's go to GitHub land. And I kind of want to see all this in one place, so we're gonna get a little bit extra right quick. Let's make this a little bit smaller. We don't care about that at the moment. Okay, we don't care about this either right now. Yeah, we're gonna ignore this. We don't care about this, so I'm gonna close this for now. And let's move this to down here. Okay, actually, I do care about this right now. Man, this is going to this may fail because yeah, this may fail, but we're gonna go with it. We'll just go with it. Okay, now let's bring over this thing to here. And we'll bring this over here as well. So now we have everything all on one page. Oh shit. Wrong one. There we are. Okay, let's go and do the install. Dang, wait, what? Did I close it again? I did. I closed my Devlog. Ah, man, I keep doing this. It's starting to annoy me now. So let's go back to here. We'll go to Devlog. Let's confirm that, like, I think I have to uninstall it first. So let's go ahead and uninstall it. Settings, GitHub apps, configure, and uninstall. Doing these onboarding, like app onboarding, is always a pain in the ass, in my opinion. I don't need this anymore. This thing right here, I actually don't need this anymore. So I'm going to keep it for now, but this will actually get deleted eventually. Webhooks are going to be handled by OctaKit itself, which is much nicer. Okay, next we are going to install the thing. And I've already forgotten the name of the app or the thing, so we'll do ITSB bot. This is what we want. We'll go there. Let's do some installations. Oh, and let's make sure that I put a breakpoint where I need a breakpoint to be. Close that out. Close this. Get up. Yeah, no fucks. All right, cool. So we're going to throw a breakpoint here. There we go. And I also am going to put a breakpoint inside of here. So what I'm expecting to happen is a closure to be created. So even though this page is going to go away and like all that context is going to go away, I am hoping, and maybe I shouldn't be hoping, maybe this is actually a terrible idea. It probably is a terrible idea, but we're gonna, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how terrible it is in a second. All right, let's do devlog. So we have a breakpoint here. We have a breakpoint here. Let's see what happens. Okay, for some reason it's okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, all right. I was just like, what the hell? Okay, so all right, we're gonna try to authenticate. Do we get back a profile? Shit, no, we don't. Fuck. Why don't I get back a profile? How is my authentication working? Request headers. Okay, interesting. Okay. So I think I know how to fix that. Inside of here, what I can do is just, oh, come on, go away. I can do like a header here. We'll say headers. Oops. And we want to do, is it authorization? Is that the header that I'm looking for? I don't remember. Let's make this bigger. We'll pull it off over here to the side so I don't have to keep going back and forth. All right, so I do have an auth cookie that I can get. Oh, it's just authorization, okay. Or I can just pass a cookie. I think I'm gonna just pass this cookie. That's the easiest thing in my opinion. So we'll say cookie. And where is the cookie coming from? I should have it. It's not on the router. I wonder if there's like a used cookies in here that I've made. I probably have. Let's see. Let's look for used cookies. Remember, I only work on this live. So if I'm not streaming, I'm not working on it. I don't even look at it. So that's my excuse. For I don't know how the hell this stuff is working anymore. Use cookie. Okay, I definitely have a thing called use cookie, but oh man. There is a way that I can get this cookie. Do I get it from Supabase? Is there like a use Supabase? We'll call this A equals use Supabase. Now let's just go to use Supabase right quick. Maybe I have something in there that can help me out. We have the client. Okay. Can I just get Supabase then? Can I just be like Supabase? And then auth. Is there a cookie in here? No. Is there a user? Get user. Oh shit! What was that? Do I really have to say get user? I guess I do. I'll get the session though. All right, so we now have a session. And is there a cookie in the session maybe? Oh, do I need to wait? Oh, come on now. Oh no, I can't do this. I mean I can, but damn it. We'll do this down here. Data session. There's no cookie in here. Okay. I guess I could just pass the access token, but it would be dope if I could just pass the cookie. And I know I'm doing this somewhere. I just don't know where. I don't remember any of this. I don't even know. I'm so lost. I want to do this as a cookie, so I'm going to figure out where I'm calling this. So let's just look at all the callers, and we'll see if I can figure out. Oh, yo, what's up? I appreciate the follow, Tron. Let me do I have some sound effects that I never use. Let me try to use one of these sound effects. Nah, none of these are good. We'll say Pokemon.
Who's that Pokemon?
Yes, thank you. You're a new viewer. What am I doing? Can't get a thing. Wait, what do you mean can't get a thing? I don't. Oh, you. Oh. Are you able to see it by any chance? Is it clear enough? I'm streaming at 1440p because I know it's a lot of text, but I also don't want it to be too zoomed in because I'm doing a lot of things. But at the moment, I don't know what I'm doing either. We're in the same boat. I don't know. I don't get what's going on either. I'm kind of with you. I'm trying to figure out. So I work on this project. This is something that I call my excuse for content. And I only work on it. Wait a minute. Wait, whoa, what the hell? All right, I think I gotta call Amex. I just got charged a late fee on the 5th for a bill that I paid on January 30th. Oh, never mind. They reversed it. Never mind. This is confusing as hell. What the fuck? Okay. I'm like, I just paid these fools $5,000 and they over here talking about late fees. But they reversed it, so I don't understand what that was about. But yeah, I'm in the same boat with you, man. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm confused as hell. At the moment, I'm trying to get a cookie. And I happen to know that I'm using cookies somewhere. I just don't remember where. So what I'm doing at the moment is going through my code here and trying to figure out. I don't even know. I don't know, man. I really don't know. I'm with you. I'm lost as fuck. Oh man. Let's go to one of these pages. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something in one of these pages. Let's get rid of that. All right, let's see. GitHub integrations. Oh, this is common. Okay, we don't want that. Components. No, we don't want components. Dashboard. Let's see. Do I do anything with a cookie? Nope, I don't. Profile. Do I do anything with a cookie? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look, I do. Perfect. So I get it from the cookie store. Okay. No. There's still, nah. I still have no idea how I'm getting this cookie. I know I did it before. I just don't remember any of this. Maybe I'll do it here in the YouTube auth callback where I'm doing a cookie. Session. Nope. I'm just, all right, fine, whatever. I'm passing the axe. Yeah, we'll just do this. Screw it. We're not going to do a cookie. Screw it. I can't. All right, so we're going to grab the session or whatever the thing is from the session. All right, so if we look here, I have this use session. So we're going to use session. That'll make my life a little bit easier. Come here and we'll say const use session. And that'll be equal to, oh, wait. No, this is going to be session. And we're going to get it from this function that we call use section. Right? And we should probably import this function. Except it's still freaking doing this weird ass. I'm going to have to fix this. This is starting to annoy me now. Like, it's really actually annoying me. Oh, actually, this doesn't exist. That doesn't exist, and I know why this is happening, but I'm not gonna fix it yet. I'm just gonna complain about it for a little bit longer. Actually, no, I'm just gonna, yeah. We're gonna undo all of that and keep it so that I don't have to figure out where in my file system it is. All right, so now we have the session, and we don't need to do this anymore. And we'll grab the whatever the thing is that I need from the session. So I think that's the access token. Session right there. All right, and is it upset because I'm not using it? No? Wait, what? Wait a minute, all right, I'm confused for real. Oh, okay, maybe I should check to see if there is a session first. So we'll say if there's no session, we'll do some things. We'll just return undefined essentially. So we'll return, but then I'm also going to just write out some info. And honestly, this should be a warning. And then we'll say no session. Get a cookie. Yeah, I'm trying to get a cookie. It's stuff like this is so hard, man. Like, it's like you think that this should be easy as fuck, but nah, it's not. Mainly because I didn't read the doc, so I'm also figuring out the authentication story for OctaKit, which is different from octakit.js. And I'm moving away from personal access token authentication to using a GitHub app that I just created. And I dealt with issues with that. So it's just like issue after issue. All right, so at this point, I should have an access token. Great, cool. All right, we'll do that. This is a guard statement. Yeah, okay, yeah. We'll do that, and then we get the session. There is no need for this variable other than for debugging, so I'm going to keep it. I'm put a breakpoint there. Get rid of these unused things. Okay, so now when I do this, I should be able to authenticate. So let me uninstall the app. Uninstall. You know, I could just replay the thing. Nah, fuck it. We'll uninstall it. We'll do the whole thing. It's good that I do this because then I get to see all of the potential things that'll go wrong. I'm gonna get rid of this breakpoint. It's annoying me now. All right, so let's go back to. This isn't it. Here, yeah, this thing right here. So we'll refresh this and let's install it. And we'll do it for Devlog. Now that I think about it, there's really no need to have. There's no need for me to store the repository because it could be all of them or it can be one. Yeah, I'll deal with that another day. Okay. Wait, is my breakpoint not gonna get hit? Or did it just work? Only one way to see. One way to know if it just worked. It didn't just work. Shit. It created a new thing. Oh man, that's not what I wanted. Oh wait a minute. Wait, whoa. Oh no, maybe. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I have two accounts. My bad. I have a test account and then I have this one right here. My bad. Let's see here. GitHub. So it's still using the personal access token, so it didn't actually work. That's interesting though. That it didn't hit my breakpoint. So I gotta uninstall it again. I was expecting it to hit my breakpoint and it didn't. Let's see here. We have this thing this didn't hit. But I mean, I guess that makes sense. This is happening on the client. So yeah, why would it get hit here? So I'll remove that. This route, I don't even know what this is doing. Yeah, I don't know why this is here. We'll remove that. What about this route? I have two. Yeah, neither one of these got hit. And I need these to be hit. Now, let's see if I got anything that said not authorized. Let's see. Let's actually just go to the logs and see what we got. Okay, we get the whatever this is. The event itself. Okay. It seems that, honestly, it seems that some of the stuff may have worked. I don't understand why it didn't. I don't know. Let's delete it. Ah, come on. Yeah, we're gonna delete it. Oh, that's the wrong thing. This is what? Let's refresh. We'll clear this out. All right, we'll try this again. Okay. It's not hitting my breakpoints. Hydration fell. Yeah, I know that. I'm not actually. Okay, I get it. I'm not actually doing anything here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on. I was expecting that my breakpoint would be hit, and they are not. Why are there 2 debuggers being attached? That's interesting. Uninstall it again. It's stuff like this that's like I will probably need to do like a API request so I don't have to keep using the UI because it's error prone for me. All right, let's try it again. And it should take longer to do it now because it's gonna have to compile everything. So hopefully it actually goes into my breakpoint. Come on, like seriously. Okay. Yeah, it's not hit. What the hell? Am I not calling the right function? Like, what am I doing? Am I not calling? Yeah, API get up auth callback. It's going to the right place. This is weird. It's not hitting my breakpoint. And somewhere I am writing this out. And I think that is happening in GitHub, in the file GitHub in common. And this on, wherever that on was. Oh, wait, whoa. I moved it out of GitHub. It's now here. So where's on? Here, right here. Am I just writing it out? Console log, where's the log at? Somewhere I'm writing out the payload. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait, whoa. I think I know what may be doing it. It's that thing that I said I need to delete, and I'm like, I'll do it later. Is it here? Yeah, okay, it's here. This is what's doing that writing. So here's my new question. Let's say that I go to this configuration here. Not here. Go back. We'll configure the actual app. Oops. Okay, yeah, this thing right here. What happens if I delete this webhook here? Oh, I need it. I need this. Okay. I think I know what I'm doing wrong. And by when I say I think I know, I really don't mean it. I don't know. I'm just as lost as I was before. I am going to take this thing right here, and I should be able to like expand. Come on, that's not what I wanted to do. I should be able to expand this somehow. Oops. How do you do the selection? There's a way that you can like expand the selection. Okay. It's command. Okay, I guess that makes sense. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So I'm just gonna yoink this out of here. Well, I'm gonna copy it. I'm not gonna yoink it yet. I'll copy it for now. And then here's the thing that's doing the stuff. I guess I'll just delete all of this and just dump it here. We'll import this. Okay. And And we'll also import this and all the other missing imports. Property does not exist on what? This should be that. And this should also be that. Console, no. All right, so profile, okay. Oh man. This one's hard because I am not, this isn't coming from me, this is coming from GitHub. So I'm gonna need some way to look up the correct user. And I have no idea how to do that. Also, I need to get the app installation. Let me go ahead and do that. I know how to do the app installation part. That's here. And the installation ID, I think that's going to come from the payload, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll just come into here. And then we'll say payload dot installation dot app ID or installation ID. This right here. And I don't need to parse it anymore because like it's coming from the event itself. So we know that it's an integer. Okay. So now it's just like I need to figure out a way to know who this is for. I have no idea how to do that. All right, so it looks like I'm going to need to do a little bit of thinking here. So here's the issue. I'm getting an event from GitHub when a user installs the app. Now, how does the install happen? So the first thing that happens is we're going to get a code. Okay, so that's going to be this GitHub auth call back here. We're going to get a code. Where is that code at? Here, right here. We're getting it from the thing right here, whatever this is. We're getting it from here. Okay, so once we get that, I'm getting the installation, but I don't really think I need to do that right now. No, maybe I do. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm gonna need to do it. So what I think I'm gonna have to do is I am going to create the record in the database on this endpoint here. And then at some point, I should get a event on the webhook endpoint, which is also going to include some information like the app, whoever it is. And I think what I'm gonna have to do is look up to see if I have that record in my database, which is going to kind of suck because it's all in JSON. Like I'm storing it in JSON here. So now it's begging the question, should I, break this stuff out of JSON so I can actually look up things? Or should I create another table for like GitHub installs or something like that? Basically just have GitHub stuff there and then pull it out from here. That way I don't have to like that. That's what's making this hard. Is that here. So I could break out my profiles table into actual tables because I know some of the stuff won't change anymore. The reason why this exists now in the way that it is that I wasn't sure what other things I was going to need, but now I'm thinking that, you know, I might be fine. Okay, so we can have a Google Auth or Google app, or I don't know, like Google something, and then we have Slack something, like Slack install, Google install, GitHub install. Is there any other install that I need to worry about right now? No. Okay, so I have these three for now. Eventually there will also be a what do you call it, a Twitch and all that other kind of crap. And then what I may end up doing is that this integration configuration, that'll go away. Oh man, I don't like this. I don't like where this is going. I will have to change my profiles table to have columns. So I will have a GitHub installation ID, a Google installation ID, or Google Auth ID, whatever. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I would have a Slack ID. Yeah, this is a lot of work. I'm not gonna get. I don't have the time to do this tonight. I don't even want to start. It's already 11:30, and I gotta wake up at 4:30. All right. Yep. I think this is where we're gonna call it. Let me go ahead and do some. Oh shit! I should have been committing. Wow. Let's do some committing. So what did we do? We installed AuthKit and I guess all these things. So we'll just say install new dependencies. Then create type alias. Okay, integrations. This is, I don't know. This may not, I don't think this is going to stick around, so I'm not going to commit that yet. But I have to, actually I have to commit it. I'll do it. What else? What is this? This is the auth. Okay, so we'll say implement GitHub callback auth handler. Oh, okay, maybe I should do this. And maybe I should also do the page that calls it. Yeah, we'll do both. And this too. Wait, not that. GitHub, this. Okay. This is an experiment right here. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that yet. Oh shit, oh man, I did it wrong. Oh well, whatever, it's fine. I am going to delete the thing that I don't think that needs to be in here anymore, which is this on thing right here. I don't think I want to have this anymore. We'll just go back to logging it. This is actually for the last one. Let me undo that last commit. And let me put the right one in there. So we have auth GitHub, and then we have the API. Yeah, all that goes together. Okay, yeah, we're good now. Okay, now we have the webhook thing, and this is what I'm debating. I don't even know. So this is just a cleanup. We don't even care. We don't need to anything with that. And this is just going to be update GitHub config for GitHub apps. And that's also going to go away. Remember, I think I'm going to create new tables, and I'm starting to get to a point where I might want to, let's see if I'm not going to implement this now, but I do want to see if there's an adapter for Drizzle and the ORM and Supabase. Documentation. According to official Supabase open source, check out, okay. Okay, there's an adapter. Okay. All right, perfect. So this is also like, I'm gonna, man, dang it. This is why I wanted to put off this GitHub stuff for a while, because I knew I would have to actually go back and deal with the decisions that I made, all the hacks that I did, just to like get stuff passing. So now my project is going to be in a state of non-working for a while, maybe for the next 3 to 4 streams. When I say 3 to 4 streams, I mean 3 to 4 streams of me working on this project. It's probably not going to be 3 or 4. It'll probably be like 2 or 3. I'm being honest. But let me go ahead and copy this, and we'll create a PR. So we'll publish this up. I kind of feel like I should go ahead and publish this too. Yeah, I'll do that. So we'll just say use GitHub app to handle webhooks. And yeah, we want to select that. We'll push that up, and we will create a PR. So we'll just say implement GitHub app. Is there like GitHub? Yep, yeah, that thing. And we'll also put in some notes. Yeah, it's not build. Wait, why? Whoa. No, that's. Oh, okay. I know why it's not building. I had to add the new environment variables that I did. Okay, so we'll put that there. What else do I need? We'll want to also have these docs. Also, I'll probably just throw this. Yeah, I'll throw this link in there as well. We'll say GitHub app. YTSM, wait, YouTube Slack bot app. Okay, what else? I mean, technically, yeah, whatever. I'll save it just in case. I mean, I didn't even read it. I should have. Maybe I would have saved myself all this pain. So we'll say authenticating GitHub app. So let's see. All right, what else do we need? Don't care. Okay, all right. I guess that's it. You know what? I'm gonna take this too. So we'll say this or Drizzle docs. Oops. There we are. So I can close all this and be not afraid that I'm gonna have to figure out what I was doing. I'm still gonna have to figure out what I was doing when I come back, but it's much easier. And I'm also gonna just take this right here too. We'll say this is an example webhook event. This should be one of these. So we'll say useful resources. So resources. And then we'll have a, what do you call this thing? This is a webhook event. I think this is for installation. Yeah, installation. So we'll say installation webhook event. And this will be installation created. Oh, I think it was dot created. Like that. Pretty sure that's JSON. Okay, we'll go ahead and save it off. Perfect. So now we have a little bit of something that'll be a little helpful. I probably should put notes so that when I come back, but obviously I'm not going to do that. What I will do is just complain about it when I come back and be like, why didn't I do it? All right, cool. Looks like we're in decent spot to come back and like struggle next time in the future. All right, so yeah. This wasn't as, I don't know. I mean, obviously it's productive, but I didn't complete anything. My app is now in a broken state. Technically, it's not in a broken state. Like it's actually running, but my dev branch, because I have branch deployments, like for this PR that I'm on, is broken, and I don't like leaving things in a broken state. But it's late as hell already, and I'm tired. So yeah, hopefully you got something out of that. It's frustrating as hell for me. I'm not gonna lie. Frustrating as hell for me. So I hope, man. I hope. I don't know. I don't even know. I feel bad right now. But I may be back Wednesday, maybe. I don't know. Maybe Friday. I'll definitely be streaming and working on something Saturday. Whether or not it's this or something else is to be determined. But yeah, if you enjoyed any part of this and you want to see more, I would appreciate a subscription on YouTube. You can follow me too on what's that thing called, on Twitch. You know, that helps too, I suppose. All the thumbs ups, those help more than anything. Turns out YouTube doesn't give a shit about whether or not someone subscribed to you or not. They stopped showing you just your subscriptions a long time ago, and they now have a feed like every other social media company where they show you stuff that you may not even be interested in. They think you're interested in, and they just force feed it to you. So if you want my content to be force fed to other people, you have to give a thumbs up so that YouTube is like, oh yeah, people like this, so we'll force feed it in to other people who may not want to see it. That's cool. So yeah, I will see you all in the future. I thank you all for joining, and yeah, we'll see you. Have a good night. Peace.